On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, gang? Jeez, you guys are chipper today. You guys must have made some money yesterday. Holy smokes. What's going on, everybody? Beautiful, beautiful Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Another day, another dollar. Really good trading day for me. Other than $1,700 up yesterday. I mean, woo, let's go. What a dump. Now we're chopping. I've had a great week, man. I've had a great week. Up and away. Making money. Hopefully we can make some more today. Good to see you guys. Ready to crush it. The cold is getting a bit better. Just trying to... It's breaking up now. It's breaking up. I'm not snotter gang today. Okay, I'm not. My nose is dry, but I'm not snotter gang. J Violet with the 5 gifted memberships. God bless you, J Violet. Thank you for always being here. Cuddy lurker. Let's zoom in on these people. We got a lurker, Cuddy. Cuddy, good morning. Good to see you. And Achintia. What's going on, lurker? Achmad. Baytal. Makadus. Lurker. Cartwright, lurker. Jared, lurker. Thank you, Jay Violet, for the 5 gifted memberships. Let's say good morning to the gang. Let's go. You know what, really, before we do this thing, good morning to you guys. The Discord, my beloved family. Look at this Discord. I wake up this morning. Good morning, 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 good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Look at this. I love these people, man. I love the gang. I love you guys. Nothing better. You wake up, you all ready to go into the trenches together. We're going to have a live stream today. We got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. We're going to go over position size, because position size matters. Shout out to Magic Internet Money. Uh, oh, and the Crypto Hub, one of our friends of the channel. We love Magic Internet Money here, but it's a beautiful thing because this stuff is not easy, right? This isn't easy. Look, I even got broomsticks now. This is just sweep of the highs. Okay, we just put broomsticks on it to make it more fun. Okay. Hopefully conjure our inner witch. Bitcoin dumping, chopping, flagging. Can we get an SFP down here? That's what I want to see. We'll see if we can get it today. I thank you all for being here, hanging out, and being here early. Right now we got a little bit of a flag thingy going on here. I don't. You guys know me. I don't trade flags, so we'll see how we get on right now. Maybe this is a breakout retest. I don't know. Depending on how you draw your flag. Got to be careful with this stuff, okay? But Bitcoin dumping. Okay, when we zoom out, Bitcoin dumping down. We got long really good yesterday, didn't we? Oh, yeah. Great long. I managed to catch a short from somewhere in here. And then I caught a beautiful long here and done for the day. I got like 5 trades yesterday. Absolute smack down, beautiful trading day for me yesterday. One loss, too. One loss. See, that's the thing. One loss. Very important to share your losses, too. Right, so we can go from the 20th yesterday. Here we go. We'll show you guys the 19th as well because we always want to be transparent. Here we go. All right, so always got to show you the day, right? So here's the 19th right here, the 20th. So yesterday was the 20th, right? We go over here. So starting from here, 180, 240, 270, $250 loss, 160, 130, 100, $800 win, baby. And then I pressed the button by accident. Not even going to lie. I pressed the button by accident. I was like, what? I don't know. I was testing out the exchange to see what this button did, and then I flash closed it. So a great trading day yesterday. Okay. Look, we're breaking out of our flag here for all our flag traders. Okay. We're breaking out of our flag. I don't know how you guys trade flags. Okay. Flags can get you in trouble, in my opinion. Happy Friday, Chantel Quick Smoker. Good morning. Good evening from Australia. Good to see you. Australia. The funniest thing, I saw a video about Australians trying to say the word no. Nah. Nah. They can't say no. They go nah. It made me giggle. I love living in Australia. It's just so far. It's so far. Paul Caruso, Chill Hills Burgers. Let's go. Let's go. Wody, Alexandra G, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. I think I missed some people up at the top here. I got to check up top here. I can see it on the Streamlabs. Uncle Jesse was first and BC Port Corp. Okay, see? I don't miss you. I don't miss you guys. Pushing here. Anto, good morning. Good morning in Greek. Kalimera. Let's go. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, my man. James, good morning. Forget about it. Iona. Marius, good morning. J Violet, thank you for the memberships. Dan Bartley, Donato Cabrera, Walsh Jesse, Uncle Jesse. The Joyful Journey, good morning. Good morning, Quick Smoker with all the emojis. Gifting away all those memberships. Thank you for that. JRMO, it's in the game. Philip C, good morning. Defiant, good morning. Gang. Luke Saldana, my man, just covering the Snotter gang. Let's go. Roaming Brave. Thank you to Richard Berry for saying Snotter gang, man. Guys funny as F, man. Xena, Pink Hand, love seeing it. Lucky Deal, my man, good to see you. Zerathis, J Violet, IKO, Roaming Brave, T Fata, good morning to you. Daryl, good morning. Hope everyone is well. Thank you for the kind words. Richard Berry, there he is, man. Let's go. Quick Smoker, IKO, Crypto, same. Good morning, gangsters. Gang. Let's go. Nice push up into here into VWAP. We can look for a VWAP slap right now if we get it. quite slow and methodical right now. Previous day, I would say previous day close right here. Is this previous day close? Let's check. Previous day close? Yeah, that's previous day close. Okay. Coming into previous day close as well. So we got our golden pocket 786. I prefer this up here if we're looking for the short. I am looking for it isn't an easy area to short right now. So I would like to see this into here. This is ideal. This is where I want to take the long. Okay? I want this. This is kind of like the big baby that I want. Okay, this is the one that I think can send us to the moon. However, I don't think they're going to make it easy. So can we see something where we push up and then sweep and then go? This is what I want, though. I really want to see this. I doubt they're going to give it to me. They're not after my bomb-ass trading day yesterday. They're not going to give it to me. They're not going to. So let's just take what they give us, right? Every single day, there's going to be another opportunity to press buy and sell while managing our risk. And hopefully we can kick ass like we did yesterday and the day before and the day before that. We've been crushing it this week. I think we took one loss early in the week, and then everything else has just been easy peasy lemon squeezy. So shout out to you guys for being here and hanging out with me. What's up, pimpin'? Oh, you must be a 80s or 90s kid. Big pimpin'. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Richard Berry, Uncle Jesse, IKO, Primo Viva is just lurking. Okay, so you're just lurking. Storm, good morning. JVAG, good morning. Good to see you. Emmanuel, good morning. How you doing, Alex? I hope you're getting better. Yeah, it's breaking up. It's still there. I'm still sleeping on the couch. I got my little boy sick. It's upsetting. It's upsetting. It's kind of weird when you get your son sick. He's 7 months today, so happy 7 months, baby otter. But they get cuter when they're sick, but you feel horrible for getting them sick. And it's bound to happen, right? Now mom's about to get sick and dad will take care of baby while mom is taking care of herself, and the rotation happens, right? Good morning, Cuddy. All right, let's keep going here, Richard Berry. A little rejection off VWAP, not something I'm looking to take right away. We're getting a little bit overextended here on Market Cipher. We do have some hopium on Market Cipher, so there is a trigger wave forming right in here. Anchor trigger. Okay, and then we have another one on the 2 hour, and the 3 and the 4 hour are trying to print one. Okay, so we have this. This is nice. Okay, this is nice if this can roll over. Okay, that's the key right now. This has to roll over. Right now it's still headed down, so we need it to roll a bit. We need it to get to here kind of deal. So some good signs, money coming up, right? So don't get too bullish, man. I see you with your hopium slippers on. Take those slippers off. All right. I see you out there. You're the one who just pressed sell right on the VWAP here. I see you guys front running all the levels, not waiting for confirmation. You can't be having that. Alex O in the house. Georgia, good morning. Good to see you. Lorelei, when your son's is in nursery school, he will pay you back tenfold with the amount of viruses he will bring home. Yeah, oh man. Yeah, I've heard about that. It's like every kid just comes home sick. Because they're just, I mean, my kid has to put everything in his mouth already. It's just disgusting, but you know. That's how he rolls. That's how he rolls. That's okay. All right. Lurker Love. Vidish, good morning. Love from India. Rob S. Trading Cove. Good morning, broski. Good to see you. Salute. Salute. Maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning to you. French Toaster, my man. Quick Smoker. Patrick Sad. Good morning, Master. Good morning. If I missed you, say good morning again. I'll try to catch you. Nice little push here. I like this push. Sweep of the highs still in play here, so we can put. Look, I made a new template, guys. Low liquidity. Oh, isn't that cute? Look, we got a broomstick to sweep now, man. I don't know. I like when it's like visually appealing. Good morning, Lost on Cryptos. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Freddie Zwartz, Bazzers, Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Dave taking the trade yesterday, crushing it. Boa, happy Friday. Let's go. Maybe a Band-Aid. John Foster, Crypto, Wolf and Bear, David Brumbelow. What's going on? I don't think we've spammed David Brumbelows in a while. I think we can go for some bumblebees. We haven't done some bumblebee spamming in a while. What's going on, Brumbelow? God bless, man. Thank you for being here. Brumbelow gets in trouble for oversharing my videos on X. Love you, bro. Didn't you get like banned or something, or like silenced for like a week for oversharing people's videos? You know the man supporting the channel when. Richard Price, good morning to you. Richard Berry. Graham, can you go back to the old membership fee, please? We're going to stay at 49 right now, my friend. We gave ample time. We gave ample time to sign up. If you do need some financial help, I am willing to negotiate. I would never want to deny you. If you want to message me in the Discord and maybe make a case for yourself, we can work something out. That's not a problem. I understand. Some people are less fortunate than others, and I understand. And I would love for everybody to be part of the gang and part of the premium Discord. Okay, so there's always an opportunity for that. Is it Friday yet? We are about to go parabolic. Strap in. Okay, boinked. Let's go. Let's get boinked all the way up to the moon, baby. Let's go. Richard Berry, Dave Digital, Splashy Guitars. Good morning. Good to see you. Hooligan, the clown. Good morning. S Warrior, Felipe. Good morning. Donato Cabrera, Uncle Jesse. Maybe a Band-Aid. Fuji. $1 win sounds like my account. Stacking wins, baby. We're going to stack wins here, hopefully. I trade flags. I'm a Richard Berry, man. You're going to get me in trouble, man. I'm trying not to swear. I love everyone. So good day to everyone. Typing is tiring. All right. Thank you, lasers. Relax, man. Al, good morning. Ale Gato Oficial. Oh man, you guys got to get off that word, man. BC Port Corp, Christiana. Good morning. Good to see you. Calimera. I love. I went to Santorini. Santorini was beautiful. Obviously, you got to go to Santorini. Greek salad. Gyros. Oh, gyros. And the pastel de natas in Portugal. These are my favorite things, okay? But the gyros, oh, man. Barely beat you to it, Dave. Let's go. Antonio, Donato Cabrera. Are we going to talk about food? It's Friday. We should talk about food, shouldn't we? We should talk about food. I'm totally there. See, like, maybe we talk about the best food when you go to that country, because you have a Greek salad in Canada, it tastes like, I don't know. It just, they use lettuce in Greek salad. When you go to Greece and you get a Greek salad, okay, you get tomatoes that are cut in quarters. You get tomatoes that are like the size of plums. You get cucumbers. There's no lettuce. It's just, and imagine the bowls like this. Here's your salad, right? The piece of feta cheese is like this. No lies. They just put a whole plate of feta cheese on top of it. Incredible. Forget about it, okay? Trying to push up here. We're getting a little bit toppy on Market Cipher. Nothing to write home about yet, but money flow crossover is good on the 5-minute here. Still got some room to push, in my opinion. So let's see what it does here. Very much in the middle of the range here. If we're looking at this as being range bound, we can pull a fixed range volume profile in here, and we can see this is where we're kind of stuck, right? So can we work up to the height, top of the range? Quite possibly. Like I said, I would love to see this first, but they know we had a good profitable trading day yesterday, so they're probably not going to give it to us, and that's okay. Breaking through VWAP. Now, sometimes you can take a breakout continuation, but because we have resistance in front of us, I'm not going to be looking for that move, okay? BC, VJ, good morning. Good to see you. Mylene de Guzman, good morning. Scammer using OC Guy indicator? You mean Chart Prime? I teach at Chart Prime. Chart Prime's a great tool set, man. We got lots of Chart Prime indicators that we use all the time. Hopefully there's no scammers around. We don't like scammers here. Defiant, good morning. Catrix, good morning, gang. Dude, you're cool. Fuji, you're cool, man. Thank you for being here. I ain't trying to be cool. I'm just happy. You should smoke Newports. I quit smoking 4 years ago, man. 4 years ago. I used to smoke a pack and a half a day. Smoked like 35 cigarettes a day as a carpenter. I smoked for 14 years. Yeah, since I was 16. It was a nasty habit to kick, I'm telling you. But I'm smoke-free for 4 years now, which is pretty awesome. It was hard. It was really hard. But when you're outside amongst the guys working, swinging a hammer every day, it's very easy to smoke cigarettes. And that was how I used to live. I mean, change is important, man. You're looking good, Anto. Handsome man. Thank you for being here. J Violet, Crypto Alt Delete. Good morning. Good to see you. George Javol. Alexo in the house. BC Port Corp. There's some Brumbelows, baby. Bumblebees. Dave Digital. Good morning, Otter Gang. Good morning to you, Buck. Good to see you. Lorelei, Lasers, Lost on Crypto. Aaron Judge, good morning. IKO, if I missed you, say good morning again. Quasum, good morning. Love from Pakistan, thank you. Pakistan. Good morning from Peru. Love Peru, South America. Let's go. Where's the golden pocket pulled from? We're pulling from the high up here down to the low up here. So high to low. Okay, there you go. Local. We have our higher time frame golden pocket above us as well, okay? Push in here. Trying to push. It was so funny when I said trying to push or push a Bitcoin and my wife was pregnant. that was some good times. I'm actively practicing your style. I am about to put a real $2,500 in an account and trade its style 100 with 44x leverage. Yeah. I mean, Dave, it's because, anyways, you know the risk management. I don't have to tell you that. So you should only be risking $25 per trade, just so you know. I think you know that, though. Can I get the $20 membership? No. Which of a trader are you? Price action trader or a fundamental analyst trader? Fundamentals are not my thing, man. You know, price action TA. I got a playbook. I got my setups, things I trade all the time. You'll see. You stay here long enough, you'll see how I trade. Sweep of the highs. Retesting VWAP. We'll trade fishing gear for crypto money. Third day in a row not being a lurker. Hat trick. Let's go, Spaced. Congratulations, Spaced. Thank you for not being a lurker. If we don't hit 83,250 today, do you think we will over the weekend? We can go over that in the premium live stream today, same. But we don't hit it, and we start making a series of higher highs and higher lows throughout here. So we push up, right? We break this high here. We can look for the retest in here and continuation out. We can look to jump on the trend if it's ripping. Okay, there's many ways that we can look for that if we don't come into here and bounce. Okay, and we can look to jump on that as well. Okay, so there's some options we have if price starts to run away from us. Okay, because we do have higher lows in here, so we'll see if we do want to continue the push. Right now it's trying. A little trigger wave forming here though, so let's be cautious. Sweep of the highs, no golden pocket hit yet. Okay, patience. Still waiting. Trading's waiting, baby. A little bit overextended in here. We do have liquidity in the lows as well, so we can see if we come back for this. A little bit of patience right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Slapping that like. Richard Berry, bloody fees are up more than me. Tony Soprano. Yeah, the same people that say they can't afford the membership are the same that. Yeah. I mean, I had to. You're risking. Risk management's the only way you're going to survive in this game. I don't care how good you are. You'll wreck yourself so fast, man. So fast. And some people like to gamble and some people like to trade. You can only tell them what you do and how others have done it successfully. Longer than they called you temporary restrictions. I got 3 separate 20+ page warnings for a permanent ban for resharing everything. Oh my God, Rumble, that's hilarious, man. What a bunch of douche canoes. Let's write Elon Musk. If the whole gang attacks Elon Musk, he probably still won't care, but whatever. Good morning, Alex. Are you a full-time trader? And how's life as a full-time trader? It's incredible. I mean, I went full-time last August 2023. Okay? So this August coming up, I'll be full-time 2 years in. And it's been challenging. It was scary as ever, but back testing, profitable trader for 3 years before that, 2.5 years before that. Okay. Adding size. I mean, the Discord was free until last September. So I've been full-time just trading and live streaming a lot longer when I was making money off the Discord. Okay. Over a year of full-time trading before I charged for the Discord. Anyways, those who were here know. What does market cipher be? It is an oscillator down here. Like any oscillator, it oscillates. It's got money flow, VWAP, and momentum waves and stochastics. Lots of videos on the YouTube channel about it. Can we do a best food in a state? Possibly. Greek salad in Greece is just called a salad. Thank you. Still waiting here. Kind of stalling out here. Pretty slow. Volume's kind of dismal right now. We've had a couple pushes into the highs here, but nothing I'm interested in just yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Little Fish, good to see you, man. Good morning, Attila. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. That's not very kind. I don't know what you're saying there, man. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Doing better, Angelo. Thanks for asking, Angelo. George of all. Crypto Rob. I'm smoke free 8 years now. Yeah. Not easy, man. Not easy. Congratulations, man. New poll. Will they trap longs or shorts today for the weekend? Last week they trapped late longs. Okay. Be interesting to see. A lot of people are not doing so well. Like this is normally around 40% for up. This is normally 40-ish percent, so. Nice slap here on the 1 minute. Coming up. Slapping this high. Okay. We slapped the high in here. We swept the high. I'm not closing below this low yet, so no trade. Look for a retest back in and maybe come for the liquidity in the lows in here. I wish we came up here a little bit more. I think we can still do that, so. Let's see how it goes. I wouldn't call this a structure break off this low. That would be, you'd be really splitting hairs in here. Morning, Medina. Retro Mike Tech, good to see you. Wick's Wife, 589. French Toasters, BC Port Corp. Jay Violet, Richard Berry, Jeremo. Tony Soprano, my man. Good to see you in here. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you're resting up, buddy. Healing well with a beautiful mountain view. Smoke free, good job. Hard habit to quit, man. I've been so busy, only one trade this week. French Toaster. Justin Eubanks, be your own bank. Thank you for being here. Are we dumping now, sir? It's rolling over. It's not, I wouldn't say it's dumping. We still got, this would be my low here. Like, we'd need to crack this, really. And then we can make a decision. But right now, this is just depending on how low it goes, right? I wouldn't call this a structure break. I just call this a higher low coming in right now. Going back to food here. In GA. What's GA? Is GA Georgia? I don't know what GA is. Soul food, fried chicken, cornbread, black eyed peas. Sounds good, man. Sounds good. Good morning from Pakistan. I'll still show up, man. I won't yell as much. Feeling a little bit better. Thank you for the kind words. Will $1 in Bitcoin get me rich? So no, we know that. What's going on, Army Piper? My brother. Good to see you, man. How's it going, man? You're crushing it, bro. Good to see you. See, there it is. There's a story of every person who sticks around trading. I traded with a stop loss for years, made huge gains, and blew account after account. Eventually, I got tired of losing that I finally managed my risk properly. That's it, man. That's it. I was lucky. I used to only trade $1,000 account. I traded a $1,000 account for a year and a half, and I blew like 5 of them, 6 of them. Okay, DGen. Ask Sniper's Nightmare. Ask Tony Soprano. 80x leverage, 88 because I like the number, like complete DGen. So I get it. You do whatever you want, but if you want to make this your job and take this seriously, you might want to figure out your risk. Okay, I get it. I totally understand. I've been there, done that, got the ticket. I was the douche canoe who would share my P&L card when I'm making 5 cents on a trade. I was that guy. I get it. He is one of us, right? So when you have a wife and kids and you want to change your life and you want to stop swinging a hammer all day and you want to get off the tools and you want to change your life, you gotta be disciplined. Nice rejection here. It's a really pathetic sweep in my opinion. Really pathetic sweep. Anybody get short on this? Anybody? It's like douche canoe shortish. Like, why didn't you come here? That's it. Right here. Come for liquidity on the lows. Now we look for a lower high, I guess. A star deal. That's what this is. Damn. Did anybody get short on that? You guys are liars if you're saying you did. No. Kyle's in the house. Stop loss is king. Let's go. One of our amazing friends and traders in our Discord, Kyle. You guys better all sub to Kyle, man. If you're not following Kyle, you guys are, I don't know. He's got a Batman video coming out. Is that coming out today, Kyle? You want to learn about leverage and stop losses? Here you go. He's got videos on it. Okay. Incredible trader, guys. Risk management. Here's your video.
Hey, guys. This is Kyle from InvestShare.
Thank you, Kyle, and your handsome face. Here. I don't mind. Leave this video and go and watch this so you can learn how to manage your risk and take trading seriously. My God, you guys are we dumping now, sir? Yes. yes, we're dumping now. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. God bless you. Sorry we didn't take the short. We missed it by a hair. Okay, so that's part of life. You want to go short now? No, this is not where you go short. Don't have 2,500 and want to trade with Alex, move decimal and trade with. There you go. There you go. The family is here, absolutely. Let's do a Banff trip next fall. I'm there, man. We can talk about that, Piper. We can talk. Seriously, bro? You're going to laugh about that message when we talk about it. Are you going to let me on your show today? Am I going to come over to your show after my show? I can come over to your show, maybe if you let me. You wouldn't let me yesterday. I wanted to surprise you. Look at this thing dumping. Have a great day, Gains for Life. Thank you for being here. Looking beautiful, bro. You're too handsome. You didn't answer my phone call yesterday. I'm mad at you. Nick Musgrave, let's go. My God. Nick's in the chat. You guys are all coming through today. It's Friday. Kyle Chismore, legend. Guys, if you didn't think Kyle is not a legend, I mean, just go into his chat. Okay? He did Ondo. He said, Ondo is my new bitch. Kyle Chismore. Okay? He gave both of these setups in advance. Absolute. Gave you the entries. If you can't make $49 off of Kyle's setups, I mean, this is just one of the traders in here. You guys are spoiled. Spoiled. Anyways, we love you, Kyle, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being family. Kyle, are you chasing this dump right now? We're coming into our area now. All right. Sweeping the lows. Bouncing up here. Volatility is our friend. This is nasty, man. I ain't getting in the way of this thing. No, sorry, Bob. Did we get bearish news or something? Like, did something come out? Did Trump sell his Bitcoin? Jeez. Nasty. I shorted. Good job. Good job, everybody who shorted. I shaved my face blanket for the Batman video. I'm feeling insecure. You look like you're 12, bro. You're not Batman. You're a frat man. Good dump here. 83,250. Let's go, says Crypt. We're all looking here, man. If everyone's looking at this point of control at 83,250, the whole Otter gang's going to get long on them. Right now we have a mitigation of the low coming in. Okay, nice dump here. Skier or boarder? I snowboard. I snowboard and I skateboard. So like I can skate too. I like people who say they skateboard, but they can't skateboard, okay? I've been skateboarding my whole life. Like back crooks down ledges and stuff, okay? Tray flips, impossibles, backside 50-50s, feebles, all the good stuff, man. Zena's short, let's go. I got a couple of skate videos still. I used to share them with the Discord. I skated a lot in Australia, to be honest. No trade right now. I shorted. Oh, you guys got short on that. Really? You guys are legends. Good job. Good job, man. I love seeing you guys win, man. Good morning, Kyle. Good to see you. Mike Raleigh. Define. I love Banff. Banff is good, man. Chris M lives in Banff. Good dump here. Did I miss your trade? No, I didn't take the trade. We were looking to short right here. This is coming back and wrecking all late longs in here. So, a little liquidity sweep. Typical price action as of late. So, come on, baby. Come on. Come to the Otter gang. Gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up those like buttons. We got 416 people in here. That's incredible, man. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. We did not take this short. We're a bit upset. That's fine. We'll be okay. There's more trades to come. Little bounce out of here, out of the lows, okay? Sweeping the lows. I'm looking at this low over here, though. We still have this low over here, okay, guys? We haven't swept the lows of the range. We sweep in here, give us some bull divs and a possible bounce, okay? Trying to bounce out of here. Nice little. I was in Banff not too long ago. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I did the Banff Springs. Me and my wife did our baby moon. It's like the holiday you do before you have a child. We did Canmore, Banff, Jasper. You name it, man. I've done it a bunch of times. We've tapped the previous low. Yep. I caught this one, ready to take profits. Nice, Andrew. Good job. Rashad, what's going on? Good to see you. Bro, Ricole, let's go. I'm doing much better, man. Still coughs breaking up, so we're doing okay. I was Tony Hawk Pro. Let's go. Let's go, farmer. I can do a 900 on a skateboard. Let's go, Toaster. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. No short. We missed it. I wanted to see a little bit higher, really. I mean, sometimes it sweeps the highs, and you can't blame yourself. You get FOMO because you see a move so quickly, right? Like we love a trade where we get short here and it pays us right away. Okay, that's what's happening right now. So check your psychology, really. It's you don't always Pokemon them, right? You can't catch them all, but V-shaped recovery very much in play right now. Okay. So if you are in the short, I would be taking some profits out, right? A little bit of a sweep in the morning keeps got the Nasdaq rolling over too. Okay, so there's a little hint. The Nas does not look good right now. We'll see how we open up this morning as well. The Nas rolling over. We're probably coming for these lows in here on the S&P. We'll see if we come for that. Bitcoin trying to bounce out of here. We were saying we were pretty overextended, right? The 12-minute, all of that, saying, there's room, but overextended, trying to push down. Now we have a bounce out of here, so we'll see how we go. A little bit of patience here. I can still hop 360 at BMX. Let's go. Let's go, man. I can fake you 2.7 on a skateboard still. I can't frontside 360 anymore. It's too much twist. Too much twist. I'll still like backboard slide like a 9 set. Like I used to skate a lot of stairs back in the day, but the ankles, man. Best trick on a skateboard, hospital flip or Casper flip? Good, man. It's like a pop, shove it, under flip. I like the pop, shove it, rewind like Stevie Williams back in the day. That's a good trick. I have a tech deck. Got my tech deck on the see? Got the tech deck on the desk, okay? When I'm feeling the FOMO, play some tech deck. You love the broom on the chart? I knew you would, man. I knew you would. I added it this morning. I'm like, Kyle's going to like the broom. We broomed up top here, bro. We got a new high to sweep. Oh, man. Man, I can't believe you guys got in that short. You guys are awesome, man. Good job. We dumping. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm frustrated with this market. I tried shorting until midnight last night, and it kept going up. I go to sleep and it dumps for 7 hours straight. Adam. Maybe try trading something different. For those who take the short, we need to TP, please. Yeah, maybe a TP1, but this is still looks like continuation down, and we have all of our at least into here. Right? Nice rollover. But we need to see established lows if we're going to get long here. Big sweep, right? Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Reset the room here. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you are new here, we go live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. An amazing group of super degenerate, loving otters, the Otter Gang. Let's see some otters in the chat for Kyle. I see your $5 super chat. God bless you, bro. That was a kickflip master. Let's go. I prefer heel flips. The risk to reward. That's my wife, man. She had to risk it for the biscuit. I chased my wife for 3 years, Kyle. I'm punching, bro. I'm punching. Thank you so much for being a good human and being kind, Kyle. Kyle's helped me out tremendously with our Discord. If you do want to join the Discord, $49. Amazing. 5 traders, 6 traders. I don't know how many traders now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traders. Major setups, major charts, live streams galore. We just added another live stream on Tuesday for you guys. I mean, it's popping, man. It's popping. All different types of trading, smart money concepts. We got bat signals. We got momentum traders. We got Kyle's trading. We got Brewberry's smart money. I don't even know. It's the shiznit. Okay, it's the best bang for the buck in the crypto industry, full of like-minded otters who just say good morning, who are kind, who aren't douche canoes. I love our community. Is amazing, and it's an honor and a privilege to just hang with you guys. And we had people testimonial yesterday, people taking their accounts. Grandmaster Ape taking his $200 into $3,600, following risk management and saying thank you. And Luke Zaldana, Anto, Gains for Life, just trying to help people get on that path of profitability, creating a life of freedom for everybody. So if you do want to join, we'd love to have you guys. And I don't mind kicking you if you're a douche canoe. We pride ourselves on being good people. Okay? That's what it's all about. And if you would like to join, I would love to see you in there. If not, join the free section. We were free for 2.5 years. Lots of things to discuss in there, and we're always there to help. So rolling over here, man. No trade. The trade was here, guys. We missed it. We can't, Now we look for an SFP. We got a little sweepy zone here. So we look for the SFP and a bounce and continuation. We look for the higher low, stop loss below the low. Very easy risk management. Otherwise, no trade. Continuation down, rolling over. Sweeping these lows has been done, but we still have this low over here that I'm interested in. Our big major golden pocket point of control area that we've been looking for yesterday is right here. We'll see if we come down and bounce out of there, okay? Looking at the 4-hour and down, we have a trigger wave that's starting to form, but we're not there yet, okay? So this is still coming out. We would like to see curvature. This would mean halfway through the day, we would like to see this pop back up into this evening, okay? The 3-hour, same deal. The 2-hour, bleeding out, okay? Trying to push back here, anchor trigger wave, but so far, no good, okay? Money is creeping up, but doesn't look too happy. Money on the 1-hour, sweeping out. We got double bottoms in here. We'll see how this goes. If we get a lower low in here, we could look for a pushback, but then we would much more prefer the trigger wave of a higher low here with a sweep and a bounce, but we'll have to wait and see, okay? Right now, we're looking for the sweep. We didn't get the full sweep up top here, okay? But we're looking for this in here. We'll see if we get it. We've had some great trades. We took the long yesterday. We took a couple shorts the other day. We've been absolutely crushing this week. Live trading with you guys every single day, showing you guys the trades, showing you guys the setups, showing you guys the P&L. Everything's transparent here. Always trying to help you guys remain profitable. It's been a great week. Nonetheless, we show our losses too, and that's what it's all about. The week so far is so far so good. Just continuing to show up for you guys. Monday 400. This was a break-even day. This thing's like an hour. This thing's like a half a day ahead. We made only 300 this day, and we made a break-even day over here. 600, and it says we've already made $1,000. We had a $1,600 day yesterday. Okay, so far so good. It's been a good week. Continue to show up and kick ass, take names, trying to help people, and thank you for being here and supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. I do appreciate you guys being here, smacking up those likes, supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new, all those good things. And don't be a douche canoe. There it is. Sweep. Sweep bounce. Sweep bounce. Oh my God. Is that going to be it? No, it can't be it. That can't be it. That can't be it, guys. Oh my God. I'm going to get rid of the pink box. Just going to hide the pink box, okay? So we know our golden pocket starts right here. That's our 618, okay? 618.65. Don't try to long this yet. Oh, snap. This thing's dumping on everyone's head. We're going to zero. Anybody get short off this little bump right here? My God. Don't get in the way of this thing. Don't get in the way. Hands off the mouse. I see you. I see you. I see you want to long it. I want to long it too, man. I want to long it so bad. Kyle, am I allowed to long it degen style or what? Good evening, Thrang. Good to see you. Richard Berry. LBC in the chat, my man. I see you guys. You all want to press buy here. Are there trade setups in the Otter Discord? Yeah, lots of trade setups, man. Tons of trade setups. Wait. I see you guys. I see you guys want to press buy. I see you all want to press buy. You guys are, I can feel the FOMO. Because if I have a bit of FOMO, you best believe you guys got FOMO, man. I can feel it. I feel it. I feel it through the camera. You guys, everybody go and get yourself a maple syrup lollipop. This is how Canadian I am. It's shaped like a leaf. It's stuck. Hands away. Maple syrup lollipop, guys. Get at me. I'm Canadian, okay? Don't FOMO. Hands off the steering wheel. I see you guys. I pressed buy. I couldn't help it. Richard Berry, it was shaped like a maple leaf too, bro. Richard Berry, you want to see the most Canadian thing? I think you just started watching the stream. I have on my desk, I have Wolverine, which is a Canadian superhero, riding a golden moose while eating a maple syrup lollipop. Get at me. You want me to unleash my polar bear in the backyard? Wolverine is definitely Canadian, man. Wolverine riding. This is metal too. This is like full on metal moose, man. I'm gonna do some ASMR for you guys. See, Buck, you learn something new every day here, man. Whoever shorted up here, you guys are gangster. You guys like the ASMR? Let's go. I see you guys pressing by. Like who's in the long? I want to see the confession in the chat over there. Who's in the damn long? Hands away from the steering wheel. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Oh shit. You guys are bad. Who's in the long here? 1 minute. 1 minute time frame here. Got double bottom here. Golden pocket, man. We've hit our golden pocket, everybody. We could do it. We could do a like get long because it's Friday if you want. I feel it in my. If anything, I would look for the retest of the lows and get short. If I was being honest, this is what I would be looking for right here. Stop loss above the high here and continuation down. That's what I'd be looking for. Until we get some structure here, until we get it like this. Get your lollipop out. Sit on your damn hands. This doesn't look like it wants to stop, man. Look at it. Melissa, good to see you. I don't know if I have the 786 pulled. Let's pull the 786. Good call. I don't have it pulled. Everybody's looking here. Point of control, golden pocket. We swept the lows, right, Kyle? You like the sweep? Here's the next low to sweep. That would be funny, eh? I got to keep the brooms on the chart for Kyle because he likes the brooms. I want a long here. I'm telling you I want a long here, but I'm not going to. I'm trying to be a good example, especially on a Friday. I want to press it. Just maybe a quarter position. Can we do a quarter position? I'm going to ask Kyle's permission. It doesn't meet any of my rules, Kyle, but can I go a quarter position? I don't think he's going to let me. Don't. Oh, no rules, no entry, bro. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm leaving longing to the professionals. Congratulations on you guys getting short there. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking about jumping on Army Piper's stream today after our stream. What do you guys think? And go over to Piper Academy and talk some smack? I think we should do that. Maybe we do that. Maybe we see if we can get on Piper's show today, right after ours. And then we can talk a lot of smack in the background. Tell you when to get long and short. I'll just say, okay, I'm going long. Okay, I'm going short. As he's trying to do the fundamental analysis. Dusty Hunt calls it getting down. That's kind of hot, man. That's hot. It's fun when he's flustered. Yeah, I always like to poke the bear, as Piper's the bear lately. I'll bring some bullishness to his channel. 488 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. 152 likes. Wouldn't mind smacking up those likes. I would really appreciate it. We got 23 minutes till market opens. We have got a dump of Palooza into our golden pocket area right now. Kyle would not let me get long, which is fine. I understand. You got to follow those rules. Rules are meant to be not broken in trading, okay? This is a key area, though. This is the key area, man. Can we bounce out of our golden pocket area? Point of control of the range. This is it. Make or break. Will it happen? Who knows? Who knows? Now, what does fit my rules is up here. I'm going to look for a short here. I might be crazy. I'm probably crazy. Who cares? Look for a short here. Retest the previous lows. Stop loss above the high. At least take it down, back down to this low in here. If it pushes up, sweeps. Boop, boop. That's all. Looking for that. See if we get it. What other confluences do you have for a short? So we have a downtrend. We have money coming out. We have a rejection. We have a mitigation of the lows. We have structure change to the downside. We have our 1, 2, 3 hour time frames all rolling over. Okay. We have liquidity below us all the way up in here. We have a downtrend here. So there's lots pointing down right now if you want to justify it. It's just, is it in your setup, right? Is it part of your setup? Can you take this trade due to your rules, due to your risk management? Does it fit? Is there a good R multiple? The only thing questionable here is the R multiple. We want a 3 minute here. So look here for the order block. Order block's a little bit higher here, so we'll see if we do push up a little bit more. 83, 83.735 ish. We'll see. No trade yet. I'll let you know. Obviously. Just a basic continuation trade. What is our multiple? It's the amount of money you make. So it's like a 2 to 1, a 3 to 1. So if you got this much of a stop loss, how much of that do you have in your profit, right? So if I risk 300 to make 900 per trade, right? So it's a 3 to 1, 3R trade, right? Because it's 3 to 1. Okay. So your R multiple is how much are you risking to rewarding? And that's going to be why if you take losses, your R multiple eventually will, as you make wins, will outweigh your losses, therefore making you profitable. Okay. I'm still looking a bit higher here. I didn't take it off of that sweep. I'm looking up here. You have a doji top coming in. We'll see how this candle prints. I wouldn't get excited about this low just yet, anybody, so be careful. Please and thank you. No problem, James. Quick scalp, took profit. You should have longed, mate. Thanks, T. Williams. Thanks for being here, man. Too risky. When it's rolling over like this, there's no trade, man. You're playing with fire. Yeah, we have key areas in here. That's great. At key areas, we look for breakout, retest, continuation trades. Nice push. That's the low being hit right now. Still looking higher. Nice pushback, though. Still waiting here. Trying to get acceptance back into the range right now. Okay. A good candle here. See how this closes. Yeah, nice trigger wave. Still waiting here. Thanks everybody for being here. 500 people, 518. Wow. 171 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind slapping up that like, would really appreciate it. Helps the channel. I think there's a nice Sui setup incoming. Yeah, we were looking at Sui the other day. I'm new here. Love the stream so far. Thanks for being here. Yeah, we're here every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading every day, so we'll see how we do. Come into here, get a little slap and a dump. Slap and dump. Pushing. Pushing here. 733 looking there. 733. Retest, continuation down. We'll see if we get it. Slap them likes. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Little bit of a recovery here. Should have got long, right? I'm in the trade. I'm short. Cheap trade. Bitcoin trying to recover here. See if it gets slapped back down. Coming into our order block, retest the previous lows. Continuation down. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. See if it wants a rejection here. Pretty cheap trade, to be honest. Stop loss above that high. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Dump it. Gotta go. Got some good bullish momentum here. Might take a little bit. Take a little bit of time here. No rollover yet. To me, this is trapping longs. That's what I see. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I see. 3 minutes saying here. 3 minutes says continuation for a little bit here. Still waiting. It's going to be slow. We got market open in 11 minutes. You guys think? We close the short? Close the short? Pump it? Dump it? What do you guys think? NQ's pumping? I wouldn't say the NQ's pumping. It's trying. NQ's dying. See if it has some relief in it today. Maybe they send it down just to send it back up and we missed it. And that's fine. Why we use good risk management. Wolf and Bear says close. Albert says close. The 1 hour time frame is opposing me. We've got a breakdown retest on the 1 hour. Rolling over. Money flow's coming out. Momentum's coming out. This isn't done yet. Hasn't even rounded yet. Not sure what you're seeing. Doji dump, baby. Come on. Doji dump. No. This candle's going to tell us the story right here. Continuation. Really? Doji dump it, man. Let's go. Doji dumpy. Come on, baby. Doji dumpy. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Doji Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Doji Dumpy back together again. Doji Dumpy, baby. Come on, baby. Drop it like it's uneven butt cheeks. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Uh-oh. It's going up, everybody. What are we going to do? Copy and paste job. I know you want attention. I'm only going to give you 1 minute to think about it, okay? Doji Dumpy. Let's go, baby. Doji Dumpy. Doji Dumpy, baby. Doji. Doji Dumpy. Doji Dumpy, baby. I'm going to take it off right here. Come back here. Doji Dumpy. Humpty Dumpty. Come on. Take it. Don't you dare pop back up. Give me my money. Thank you. Thank you very much. Doji Dumpy Humpty Dumpty. All right. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on your wall. GG's, everybody. $260. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is why people come to the show. Woo! I get excited, man. I'm sorry. I don't normally get that excited. I love when it plays, though. I love when it plays, man. Order block. Look at that entry, guys. I told you, 33. 33. Average entry price, 33.2. Sorry, I didn't give you the 0.2 for bleep. All right, easy scalp. Shake and bake, baby. 33.2. Okay, sorry. I front ran you 0.2. Let's go, baby. Oh. I get excited, man. Oh, that hurt my chest. Let's go, baby. And you're only risking $100 here. This is such a tight stop loss. That's the thing. It's cheap too, man. And it's a continuation trade. This can continue on its way. I took my money and I ran. Okay. It's Friday, baby. We be winning already. 543 people in the chat. God bless every single one of you guys. God bless you guys, man. Now we look for the next one. On to the next one. All right. Reset. Let's take another trade, baby. I always leave 25% and move stop loss in profit. Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. You're intentional. Thank you, Otterboss. God bless you. God bless you too, man. It's probably a golden pocket right here. Yeah. Golden pocket bounce, continuation up. This is the one that, this area in general is where you're looking for the bounce, right? You're looking for the bounce in here or the sweep of the low. If you're going to get the bounce, it's here. It's possible. Higher low here. Continuation out. I mean, beautiful doji, bearish engulf. We teach this in the Discord as well. Easy peasy. The entry was pretty fire, though, guys. I've got to say. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to get rid of this now. I want to see acceptance back above this high now. So this would be our high to take would be here. Stuck in the middle with you. Good pushback, anchor trigger here. Thank you, everybody, for being in the live. Love making money with you guys. Like a hot dog. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Dusty? Are you okay? Bing, 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 bing. Market is open and we are dumping, like we said. Gapping down, baby. Gapping down, rolling over. Can it bounce? That is the question. Can we come back up and bounce on the ring-a-ding-dingy? Looks like Bitcoin's trying to push back up here off of our golden pocket bounce. Continuation here to the upside. Pushing back, pushing back. Those who are in the long, congratulations. You are safe and protected. Continuation now. We took the little short in here, and now this thing is ripping. Beautiful. I'm going to sweep these highs. Nice push back here. Nice push on Bitcoin. Coming into our bounce level. Shout out to those who got long. Congratulations on your long. Bitcoin to the moon. Good job. We closed this short, right? Continuation here. Retest to previous highs now. Okay. Coming back for the liquidity in the order block in here. That's been fully taken. They could just send this on people's heads right now, so be careful. Retest to the highs. Okay. Very aggressive market open. Coming back in, retesting the highs. That's nasty. That's nasty. Remember we said, got to take this. Look at that. Oof. That is nasty. That is so mean. Oh, oh man. Now watch them. They're going to come for the lows now. That is so... These guys are complete douche canoe. What a complete douche canoe. Did you guys smell the hopium for all 30 seconds of it? Ooh. Ooh, that's nasty. That is disgusting. That is so you gotta laugh, man. That is so gross. Oh man. They did you dirty. They sent it all the way up just to grab the liquidity in here, late shorts. Can I ask you why there are so many Indian traders live trading BTC on YouTube? I thought maybe you would know. I have no clue, man. Maybe they're a good trader. Maybe they're not. Who knows? Maybe they got the secret sauce. I don't know. This is gross. SFP of the low. Looking for the long here. Here's our 200 level. Damn, this would have been a nice short. Sending it back to grab everybody. If we close above here, we can get long. No long. No trade here. My God. We've hit our point of control now. That's nasty. That's cruel. That's what I would say here. This is cruelty. This is wild, man. This is wild. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. I want to go long here. We have an SFP of the low. Just want to see candle close here. SFP of the low. Let's see how this candle closes here on the 1 minute. This is good. Let's see how this closes. Patience here. 580 people in here. 225 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Jeez, that's not a candle we buy, everybody. That's not a candle we buy. That's indecision. What's the record for views? We had 7,000 when we had the scammers, Dave Digital. 7,000. I don't know what the record is for viewers. I think we've had like 1,100 once. I think. I can't remember though. I don't keep track. I'm just grateful. That's all. We got bull divs in here. Big sweep. Big sweep. Damn, if we just waited for that short here, man. God, woo-wee. Look at this thing. Wrecking all the bull tards. Wrecking the bear tards. Everybody getting wrecked. Sending it. Sending it. Sending it. Like we said, S&P coming down to here. Trying to hold this support level. NASDAQ dying. Dixie pumping. All right. Wow. Remember we said, how many times in the Discord did we say they're coming for this? How many times? Many times, right? Many times. So. That's fine. Nice bounce here. Can we get the hammer? Hammer time on the 3 minute. Hammer time on the 3 minute. Looking for the hammer time. Point of control here. Lost this low here. My God. Big Dumperelli here. Trying to hold on to the point of control. I mean, not a bad area for a swing long, but not something I'm looking for. Not today. I'm looking to hold weekend trades, baby. You guys can hold your weekend trades. Nice push back here. Let's see this candle. We got a minute and a half on this candle here. A little bit of patience here. This is our first 15 minutes, everybody. Wild times, wild times. So we have our orb high. So we'll put in our orb high. We need an orb symbol now. So let's go to our orb template. Do we have a crystal ball? We do. Oh, yeah. That's what we're going to do here. There's our orb signal. Save this template, baby. You guys can be cool cats too, man. We're definitely doing the orb. Rolling over, right? Rolling over. You want to be on trend side, right? With this, like, look at yesterday. We caught the long, but we also wish we caught the short up top here, right? When we dumped yesterday, right? We wish we caught the long here yesterday. Of course we wanted to flip short. I didn't flip short until here. Okay, so trend is always going to be your friend, right? We got short here. Obviously, we're a little bit late into market open. Trying to bounce here. We can look for the bull div, breakout, retest, continuation trade here. That's very much an option. But right now, this is dying, right? So don't fade it. Trying to bottom out here. Go back to our 3 minute here. So we got a little pin bar. It's not hammer time enough for me. If we engulf this and we push back, we can look for the long here. If not, this is just continuation down. Okay? 600 people here. We'll go 600. It's our record, okay? 602 people right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribe if you are new. We're growers and showers at this place. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers, guys. That's quite incredible. Really grateful. Make sure if you're new here, you say good morning. Open range breakout is the orb. So it's a new trading style. At the first 15 minutes of the market open, you get a 15-minute candle. So at 9:45, you'll have your 15-minute candle. You can trade based on that support and resistance level. So that will give you a high and a low, and depending on how price reacts within that high and low. So right now our low is right here. This will be our orb bottom, unless we go lower, okay? You can treat this as a range. We're going to go over this in the Discord today, but I like this candle. Bull div. Big pushback here. Sweeping those late shorts. Nas is pushing back quite nicely here. Like we said, S&P coming down to that level and bouncing. That's a good sign as well. Okay, so a couple good signs around the market. Let's not be boltards. Let's be patient. $30 seconds on this candle. It's pushing quite nicely. Half a percent move. Good move. Nice push here. Bull divs. Freak everyone out, right? Good job, market maker. Very good job, market maker. I salute you, market maker. That's a good move. Good move here. Look at this 15-minute Darth Maul candle. Absolutely disgusting. The beautiful candle close for the 3-minute here. This bullish AF. Okay, beautiful candle. Continuation. This is such a good bottoming structure in here. I mean, you can front run this and buy this here. I wasn't looking to front run this, to be honest. Bull divs, key level, right? It's all there. Sometimes not taking the trades, you know, like, yeah, you didn't take the trade, but you're not FOMOing in. You're trying to be level headed, right? Trying not to overtrade. Look at the sunshine coming in, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's Friday, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. One trade so far, up to 260. Okay. Thank you guys for all showing up for me. 617 new record of viewers. 624 right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got a little bit of rollover. If you are new here, we'd love for you to come and hang out with us in our free Discord. We do have a paid section as well if you do want to take your trading a little bit further. We're here live trading every single day. We have a Discord live stream today at noon. That should be fun. Maybe we catch the bounce out of here. That would be fun. We'll do some live trading today. We got to talk about the orb. Got to talk about position size because position size does matter. Make sure you are saying good morning. That's all we require here is a nice good morning. I put my boltard horns on. Let's go. All right. No volume. Yeah. I'm new here. Thank you for being here. FOMO Sapien's been here for a while. Come on. Who's long from down here? Congratulations. I mean, we were looking at this level in the Discord for 500 days. It felt like everybody, we were all looking here. So if you took it for a swing trade, congratulations. I mean, this is a very easy swing trade. You can give yourself a berth here, right? This is a big pivot area that we were looking for. Beautiful continuation here. Nas popping off. Bitcoin popping off. Nice push. Nice push out of here. Okay, there's our 15 minutes, okay? So our orb is complete now. Now we leave the orb and we can trade based on the orb all day. So if we break the orb, if we lose the orb, or if we trade within the orb, okay? There's many ways to trade the orb. You just got to be patient, okay? A VWAP coming down as well here. Trapping longs, trapping shorts. That's what we've done here, right? So we've trapped longs here. We pushed it up. We wrecked them. Now they're building longs in here. Are they going to continue the move, or are they going to rip it back down on their heads? That is the question. I'm favoring the longs right now. This is looking like a nice pushback. I would like to see something along this line here, where we can get some sort of flag, some sort of chop. Okay, this is just up only. V-shaped recovery. So can we get some sort of retracement in here? That would be ideal. Okay. Look somewhere around here. Potential long if we get it. Okay. Very nice move here for the morning. I mean, pretty scammy, like trying to shake everybody out, right? So please be safe, use stop loss, good risk management, all that stuff. It's so important. Nice push here out of orb. VWAP slap. Higher high created. Nice push out of here for Bitcoin. We're looking higher now. Fair value gap up here. As this pushes up, right, our fib grows with it, right? So as it pushes up, our fib will chase, right? 382 aggressive possibility as well. This is pretty aggressive here. Patience here. They want us to buy this. This price action, if we look at 3 minute, we got what, 3 white soldiers, yeah? 3 white soldiers, they want us to buy this. That's not where we buy. Okay? What a market open, guys. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. How was your trading this week? You guys let me know. Break even. That's good. Break even's really good, man. I mean, break even's like a couple of slight adjustments and you're well on your way. Down and wrecked, man. I don't like having the wrecked, but some people, you know, it's good for them to confess anonymously in a poll. I took a long on Sui. Nice. I gave a long idea on Solana. I don't know if anybody in the Discord took the Solana long. Solana long. I said it's about time, everybody. I said it's about time to get long on Solana. I would say that's a pretty good entry. If you took it, you took it. I said Ethereum too. Who would have thought? Look at that. Pretty good entry. We'll see if it pops off. I do share ideas on altcoins as well, so alt ideas. It's not a setup, but ideas is always important. I do a lot of TA, so ideas for all you guys this morning. Discord's on fire, man. That's all I can say. Discord's on fire. Great people. Oh, yeah. That's why you don't buy the top, right? Let's wait. Come to Papa O. You wanna. Nice push out of here, though, right? Nice push. This looks like continuation. Nas pushing. S&P's trying. It's trying. Stalling out a little bit here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Timmy's yelling at me. Yesterday, I got a nice trade along with you, and seeing the market popping up after we got out, I got greedy and got my weep. Put NDX on hiking. That looks depressing. FOMO. Who's FOMOing in at the top? I smell it. Still good getting into Sol. It's more of a swing trade, the idea, so possibly, I don't know. Take 5 minutes right now and sign up for a $50 breakout account and play with us. Nah, man. Nah, I'm not ready. If I'm gonna do breakout, I'm gonna take it seriously, and not that I don't take this seriously, but I like trading my own account, man. I mean, I've added some money this week, man. Holy smokes. Been a nice week. Stacking them gains, man. Hidden VWAP here. Good morning, Joshua. Good to see you. DP, good morning. Gains for life, good morning. Going to touch grass and water and have some fun with the kids. Happy weekend. Gains for life. God bless, man. Have a wonderful weekend, bro. Coming up to VWAP here. Nice bullish momentum. VWAP slap. VWAP slap or retest. We're kind of caught in between the two here. So, no trade for me. VWAP slap, though. Pretty nifty slap, though. It's literally on the... It did hit, so you can't say it didn't hit. It's a good slap, but if we engulf here, that would be a trade, but I'm not taking the short into here. Not just yet. Even though I think we're overextended and can come down into this general area like we are. Okay. Swing low to swing high here. We're generally looking here. The 382 would be aggressive in my opinion. Let's wait here. Steve Ruggling up top here, so let's be patient. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day, a great trading day. Trying to push. Nice push out for Bitcoin coming into that key area, man. Nice bounce. Nice bounce. Let me know if you're in the long. I love seeing you guys win. Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Great job, everybody. Got one winning trade today. I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I would have loved to get long down here. It was all there, but ran away quite quickly. We've been looking at this this long for quite some time. You know, and sometimes you don't catch it, but it's your job if you don't catch it to not chase it. Can we hold this to sleep? I love questions like that, man. I don't know. When are you going to sleep? Oh, man. Go to the moon faster than Elon. Great job, everybody. Avi, Richard, Mr. Barry, Defiant, Joyful Journey, Mars, Laws on Crypto. Good job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win, man. I celebrate you guys all day. You guys know that. You guys know that. You guys are doing great. So proud. So proud. Love seeing you guys win. Love seeing, the best thing is the good mornings in the Otter Gang chat. This is the shit, man. I'll swear for that one. You guys are incredible. Oh, Kyle's got a setup, everybody. I can't show you that. I can't show you that. I can't show you it. You wish you could. Here's the FOMO now. Here's the FOMO now. Oh no. You guys are stalling out here. Indecision, indecision, indecision. At VWAP. What does this say? I think it smells for a little bit of a retracement. Maybe not a dump, but a retracement. When we zoom out, what else can we see? We got the beautiful bottoming structure here. We're going to end up giving a nice bullish divergence in here. Okay, so this is what we were looking for. Into our level at 250. We've been calling this level forever. Bullish divergence, continuation, break of the high. Higher low continuation. That would be confirmation on a higher term time frame. Another thing you can also look for, getting acceptance back into this range, challenging back up to the highs in here. Okay. If you're a swing trader, you could possibly look to get into this thing here. Take this thing back up to the highs and the liquidity in here. It's totally up to you. It's your trading style. I'm not your father. Get rid of this now. Let's go, Bitcoin. Keep pushing, baby. Right through VWAP. Right through VWAP. It's got to go. Otherwise, it's going to get slapped right back down. Right back down, baby. T. Williams, you are my father. I heard that as Darth Vader or Luke Skywalker. I have so many friends in Discord. It's like a large family. Love you, Dusty. Hey, bro, I missed your long. What did you think about entering short up to 84K? How do you short? You could short here if you wanted. VWAP slap. It's there. I'm not taking the short because of bullish momentum. I would look for a long now. Retracement long. That would be ideal. Where are you looking for longs? Okay, everybody. So you're looking for longs. You're looking for a revisit of previous highs in here. You're looking for a golden pocket retracement 786 in here. Okay, so you got two areas that you should be interested in. Depending on price action, you make a decision. Sweeping the lows is still on the table. Okay. Right now, this is struggling. Right. Struggling. That last pump was quite some hopium. Is that the dump? That's not for me to decide. For you to make a decision, practice good risk management. Subscribe if you're new. It's been a great week, guys. It's been a great week. Some good trades, some good fun, some good banter. Very grateful for everyone who comes through here and supports the channel. I did it all sick this week. I was sick as a dog, and we still made lots of money. So that's always a win as well. And I'll always show up for you guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. I will see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m. Bye. I might jump over on Piper Academy. We'll see.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.